Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Thanks for connecting with us. Today in this video, we are going to see the exact method to add your Blogger website to Google Search Console easily, and this tutorial is a complete tutorial, so please follow up and watch this video fully to maximize your result. So now let's jump into it. And before we proceed to this video, please subscribe to US Educate Academy YouTube channel and turn on the notification to get all the new updates almost every day. And now I have opened my Google Chrome, and now I'm going to proceed to my Blogger website named TechieMain. And this website is one of my website, and now I'm going to add this website to Google Search Console. And how to add, so we'll follow and we'll do the complete tutorial, so please follow up and stay tuned until the last moment. So now I'm going to open a new tab and search for search.google.com, and now I'm going to search for Search Console, and here this will show me Google Search Console. And now let's try to add our website to Google Search Console to rank on Google. And so the first step, now I'm going to open search.google.com, and here it will show me welcome to Google Search Console, and start adding your property to this Google Search Console. So now I'm going to copy this URL of the website, and here I will reach two options to add through the domain name or the URL prefix method. And the URL prefix method is highly recommended, and this is the easiest method. So now I'm going to paste the URL of my website, and now I'm going to click on continue, and this says me checking verification, and it says me ownership auto verified. So now I'm going to click on done, and so when I proceed to Google Search Console, so I can select this property. So as I am having my blog and the Google Search Console the same email address, it will make me verify automatically easily. But what if you want to add your Blogger website to another Gmail account's Google Search Console? So now I will show you that example too. And now I'm going to delete this Search Console property, and so I have removed it. So now I'm going to copy this URL again, and I'm going to go to my new Google Search Console. I can simply take another account, and now I'm going to proceed by entering or by pasting my URL in URL prefix method. So now I'm going to click on continue, and it says me checking verification. So this, as I am having a different email account, it asked me that verify ownership. So how to verify? So the easiest method in the verification process is the HTML tag method. So I'm going to simply click on this drop down, and I'm going to click copy. So this code will be copied. So now I'm going to proceed to my blogspot.com or blogger.com, and I'm going to select my property, and I'm going to click on the theme, and I'm going to click on this drop down theme, and I'm going to click edit HTML. And now as per the instruction, it says me copy the meta tag below and paste it in your site's home page. It should go in the head section before the first body. So they are referring that this meta tag should be between the opening head and the closing head. So how to find the head section? Simply press or click the cursor over here and press Ctrl plus F, and here a search box will appear when you press it, and you can simply enter HTML head. So we can simply enter this and we can click on enter, and this will show me my head section. So as you guys can see, this is my head. So I can paste in my closing head section. It will be more easy. So now I'm gonna paste this in the closing head section, and here it is, my closing head. So I'm gonna leave some space, and now I'm gonna copy the tag again and I'm gonna paste this over here. So as you guys can see, I have pasted this meta tag, and now I'm going to click on save, and this is processing. So update is successful. So now let's click on verify, and this checks the verification, and as you guys can see, my ownership is successfully verified, and it says me as HTML tag verification method, and this ownership is verified successfully. So now I'm going to click on go to property, and this says me welcome to Google Search Console, and now I'm going to click on start, and I'm going to click on got it, and here it shows me my website. So now I'm going to add or index my Blogger website to Google Search Console. How to index? Simply proceed to the section called sitemap and enter sitemap.xml, and we can simply click on submit, and now as you guys can see, sitemap submitted successfully. So now I'm going to click on got it. So this shows me as couldn't fetch because I don't have any content in my website. So if I have content, it will show me as this much pages indexed and this much posts are indexed, and it will show me like that, and I can simply see my pages performance in the search soon after my page has reached up to 1 month by period after adding to Google Search Console. And that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe US Educate Academy YouTube channel for more video tutorials like this. See you in the next one.